Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to record a voiceover on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on plus icon on the bottom of your screen. Click the video as you desire. Once you are done, tap on audio editing. Tap on record that is on the bottom left corner of your screen and do your voiceover part. So that is how you record a voiceover on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.